Hi, I'm Mrs. Peck, and this is the Frayer model for vocabulary, or a vocabulary organizer is what we like to call it. This helps if you put your paper into fours or quarters, and then make sure you have a nice little like bubble or cloud thing, or whatever you want to call it. Here's a more neater, more like OCD kind of way to do it, you know, if you like nice shapes or whatever. But you can do it either way you'd like to. So we start out with the Frayer model with putting your the word that you want to define in the middle. Obviously, make sure you're spelling it right and all that kind of good stuff. In the upper left-hand corner, you want to go ahead and define the vocabulary word in your own words. An actual book definition doesn't necessarily always help you because you might not know the words and all the definitions. So make sure you can, you know, say what you mean about the word in your own words here. Then you want to go over to the right or across the way, wherever you're working, and you want to talk about some facts or characteristics. In this example, it looks like we have a polygon. So they talk about the fact that it's simple, that the lines don't cross, and that, or if it's complex, lines do cross. I don't know, I'm not a math person, but you see the idea right there. And then you want to go ahead and make examples of whatever word you're trying to define. So here it looks like we have some examples of polygons, all that kind of good stuff. And then on the right are some non-examples. So the dice not being a polygon because it doesn't have particular sides or what have you. And then just like a little zaggedy line because that's not a polygon either. You can do this with any word you'd like to. And you can do it with as many words as you want to, or you can do it with pictures as well. Obviously the definition works better with pictures, but then when you're talking about examples, see we have a combination of both words and examples of drawings, whatever little picture helps you as well. So that's the Frayer model or vocabulary organizer. Have a great day.